Behind the crates, a Ferrari sleeps in dust. Today, we wake it carefully.
Those twin eyes, this isn't just old metal. It's a 330 GT. That flash of red. The rumor was real.
One clean line, and the Rosso returns like a heartbeat.
Chrome isn't gone, it's just buried under years.
Rust always starts at the edges. Quiet, patient, relentless.
This interior used to whisper luxury. Now, it coughs in silence.
A 330 GT, hidden like a secret. Not anymore.
Before cleaning, we record who you are. No sudden pulls. Just control and respect.
It's moving like it remembers the road.
If we move it wrong, we lose it. So we lock it down gently.
There it is. Rosso under the grime, still alive. There it is. Rosso under the grime, still alive.
There it is, Rosso under the grime, still alive.
From now on, every piece has a name and a place. From now on, every piece has a name and a place.
Old fluids out, so clean life can go in.
Every pass removes a decade and returns a surface.
Now we open the truth, the engine bay.
A Ferrari V12, dusty, tired, but still a masterpiece.
Here's the rot, and here's where we cut it out.
We don't grind for drama. We grind to save the shape. First stitch is in. The comeback has officially started.
To revive a Ferrari, we start by unbinding what time tightened. No guesses later. Every connection gets a name.
Under the cover, the past leaves a stain.
The hidden damage always lives where you can't see.
Now the Ferrari can turn and show us everything.
Under the grime, the structure still wants to survive. We don't hide rot, we remove it.
New steel, shaped to the original rhythm.
Stitch by stitch, the body becomes whole again.
It's endurer. When the seam disappears, the craftsmanship stays.
To ride like a Ferrari again, the joints must be reborn.
Inside the caliper, time left fingerprints. We erase them.
Not scruffing, dissolving the years.
Perfect sealing is silent, and it starts here.
Even dirt has to let go when the process is right. That click isn't just sound, it's certainty.
The cabin doesn't need to be replaced, it needs to be respected.
Luxury is made of tiny decisions, repeated perfectly.
Straight lines first, shine comes after.
Rosso returns, not just outside, but everywhere it belongs.
This is the moment shine gets locked into the skin. You don't rush this. You let perfection level itself. One more layer and the Rosso becomes bottomless. That edge is the sound of precision.
The shine is the car remembering its status.
We don't chase shine. We level the surface until shine appears.
There it is, the first real mirror.
No haze. No shadows. Just depth.
When reflections gaze straight, the car feels alive again.
Chrome belongs next to Rosso, like punctuation on a sentence.
Now you can see through time and into the cabin again.
The cabin comes back like a tailored suit, tight, correct, and quiet.
All the parts are back where they belong, and now we listen.
That idol is a legend breathing again.
When the last click lands, the car stops being a project.
Real restorations shine where no one looks.
Every fastener is a promise kept.
That click is final.
Now the eyes can shine again. A name returns exactly where it belongs. Luxury is the quiet parts working perfectly. Inside and out, one color, one identity. This is the last time it's allowed to be touched.
Moves like it remembers. That sound is dignity returning.
Rosso isn't just red, it's a mirror for time.
If the seams are right, everything is right.
Same shape, different life. Dust to Rosso, that's the whole story. A grand tourer moving like a whisper. Not angry, refined.
Now it looks forward, like it always did.
Straight lines mean straight metal.
The details are where the story ends. The shine isn't loud, it's endless. From nose to tail, nothing is broken anymore.
Silence is the final luxury.
From dust to Rosso, a legend returned.